Do you know that right now in the United States, mail order houses are making a resurgence? Um, 1908 to 1942, when there was a huge shortage of housing in the early 20th century, Sears and Roebuck actually took on catalog homes and shipped homes all over the United States at a discounted price. You could basically buy a house in a kit. And actually, I've sold a couple of those here in northern Wisconsin. Just ask me, I can tell you a couple of them. But Home Depot has now taken that on. They are a Fortune 500 company, and they are selling tiny homes for as low as $63,000. So if you're concerned about housing, and you're concerned again, I still keep getting calls about people waiting for the market to crash. When you're seeing companies, Fortune 500 companies, invest in tiny homes and selling tiny home kits, it's got to tell you that your house's value is only going up and not down. Disclaimer from Home Depot, obviously, that just because you buy the home, it doesn't mean it gives you the legal right to put it on the site. A lot of counties and ordinances are starting to look at tiny houses and determining how they want them to be placed in their communities and with their zoning laws. So make sure you don't get lured into a tiny house kit without being certain you have a place to put it. Have a great day and hope to see you soon in the Northwoods. And as always, if you have any questions, I help people just like you move in and move out of the Northwoods and invest in real estate. So have a great day. See you soon.